Hey guys, Tayo here, and Infinix just released a new device called the Infinix Hot 10 Play, which is the successor to the Infinix Hot 10 and the Hot 10 Lite. And for roughly 42,000 naira, you'll be getting a 6,000 mAh battery, 2 to 4 gigs of RAM, and a Helio G25 processor on this device. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. The Infinix Hot 10 Play is made up of plastic and it comes in 4 colors, which are Asian blue, Morandi green, obsidian black and purple. I personally love the Asian blue color and I would like to know your favorite color, so comment down your favorite color in the comment section below, and while you're at it, click on that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that YouTube can promote my content to other people. The Infinix Hot 10 Play has a 6.82-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, which means watching videos online on this device will max out at 720p. It runs on Android 10 Go edition, which has been optimized for mid-range to entry-level devices like this. So Android 10 is basically a lighter version of Android with their XOS 7 skin on top of it. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, a sub to the channel would be legendary. The Infinix Hot 10 Play comes with a Helio G25 processor, which isn't the best out there but will do basic tasks perfectly. And it also comes coupled with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, although there is a 2 gig of RAM and 32 gig of storage variant, but I won't advise you to get that one, since trust me, you won't even enjoy it because the memory will just get filled up quickly and 32 gigs of RAM is just really small in 2021. Although there is an option to like expand it with an SD card. So yeah, as for the cameras, the Infinix Hot 10 Play rocks a 30 megapixel main camera and 2 other unspecified cameras, which is capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, as well as the 8 megapixel selfie camera. But here is where things get fun. The Infinix Hot 10 Play rocks a 6,000 mAh battery, which is huge, and I know that you won't be able to kill that amount in 2 days of fairly intensive use cases. Although there is one caveat, which is 10 watts charging, which is not fast, not even fast at all, because there is 15, there's 25, there's even 65 or something like that, or even 120. So yeah, 10 watts is not the best out there, but 6,000 mAh is pretty good. Other features of the device are a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, a 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB 2.0 that is capable of OTG. Well, who is this device for? I guess this device is for people who are just trying to get the hang of Android or doesn't even need the device for anything special, they just use their smartphone casually, or people who will be using this device as their backup device. So maybe they have an higher end device, so yeah, this can be a backup device. Or what do you think? Who do you think this device is for? Comment down in the comment section below. I'll be going through them and I'll pin the best comments. So yeah, if you like this video overall, click on that like button, and if you loved my content overall, click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.